Kal Halalim La Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai Bahasham Rakakodash. Double honors to the apostles and elders. Peace, blessing, mercy, and salutation to all the brotherhood out there teaching the truth and sincerity. In the name of Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai. So you see a 7.0. They happened in the morning a while ago. So I'm gonna hit the road. And do a little speaking. So it's a 7.0. That's pretty big. So the thing was, the earthquake happened and around Acapulco, which is a resort city. You know, they got a lot of white boys there throwing their money around, and this earthquake when I heard the morning news on my drive, the news stated that there was only one person had died so far. But the earthquake shook the whole, like a big part of Mexico. You know, there's a lot of Ishikarites there, and Ishikarites are wicked. You know, they're into all kinds of homosexuality. And it's vexing. It's like nobody's fucking safe, right? Like everybody's ass is in danger. There's too much danger. And that's why we have to pray. Because this earthquake happened, yeah. But while it was happening, you know, there's brothers in Mexico. And they were being protected and saved, you know. That's a good thing. It's always a good thing when there's safety in the brotherhood. You know, there's no lack of faith in the body, right? We're always praying about something. We're always praying for something. For everything. Pray over some scrambled eggs, you know what I'm saying? Shit, pray over a cracker, god damn it. You know, a Ritz fucking cracker. You ain't got shit to eat except that Ritz cracker. It's gonna be a holy Ritz cracker, right? You're gonna bless it. It's like seasoning, right? It's like seasoning. You make carne asada, you don't put seasoning on it, you don't marinate it in beer. It's gonna taste like shit. It's gonna taste like a white boy made it. You know, white folks have a reputation of not seasoning their shit. That's fucked up, man. You know, why don't you put a little bit of salt on your fucking food? God damn it. These fucking white folks don't know how to season motherfucking shit. That's why when you see a Edomite preacher, like, people be sitting in the pews daydreaming because they're not engaged. Hell, today I was in class daydreaming in class. Sorry. Because I always did that shit in class when I was in high school. But I was in class, and I was thinking about something, and in my mind, in my imagination, I had a little sermon. It was a good sermon. You know, I forgot what I said exactly. You know, spirit comes and goes. But I was like, man, that's a good church. And I was just talking to myself, within myself. So here we are, expecting these expecting calamities, and these wicked pastors and preachers, they ain't seasoning the food that we're trying to prepare for you. You know, they got white rice cakes, white bread, no jelly, no butter, no nothing. You're like, what the fuck? But you come into the truth. Everything's perfectly seasoned. The drink is nice and good. Satisfying. You're quenching your thirst every time you drink something, or you feel like you're well nourished when you eat something. It is, well, satisfying. It's satisfying. But then, what happens when you eat a good meal and a few hours pass by? You start getting hungry again. You see, so you gotta make them thirsty. Thirst for it. These folks have got to be in that position in their lives where they're yearning for the truth. But none of them do. That's why the Lord's fucking them up with 7.0s, 8.0. Man, I ain't never heard 10.0. I think the one in this particular was about a 6.5, maybe, in the 80s. And that one knocked down a whole bunch of buildings. Yeah. But, like I say, men of the Lord have to be praying all the time. We've been praying. Stay praying. And in those prayers is our protection. That's right. Because in those prayers, you're showing your faith. You're showing your Lord that you need Him for this, that, and the other. And that there's no one else that can get those things for you, not even yourself. Because you need Yahushai to get them for you. Please, 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 right? Man. That's how it is, right? That's how it is. For someone that's in the truth. Because you have these Christians that are always praying for some shit. And they're praying to sweet Jesus. Sweet Lord. They're making the moves. They're making their moves, and then nothing happens in their favor. So they start not believing. There is never a good time to not believe. You have to. Damn it, you have to, man. I don't know how to explain it to you, man. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, that you gotta pray. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I remember my little sermon, man. I was like, in my head, I was like, shit, even MC Hammer had it right. He said you got to pray. You got to pray just to make it today. Damn, dude. Damn. See, it's no mystery. Shit, one of my friends in the world, he said he was holed up for a whole fucking week in shit mire up to his fucking waist. He couldn't wipe his ass, he couldn't do nothing, he couldn't take a piss, he didn't eat. The whole time he said he was just praying. He was praying to his sweet Jesus, but what was he praying for? He was praying to get the fuck out of there. Right? He was praying for the medicine. he got rescued. But he had sores and all that stuff. It's tough, man. It's tough. Shit, man. If Marines and soldiers are praying, why ain't you praying? Why ain't you praying, huh? The best part about praying, it's therapeutic. And what I mean by therapeutic is you get something out of it. It's not like having a friend that's a girl at the office. You ain't gonna get shit out of her. You don't know that. This is like having that when you pray to your How Bashim Yahushai, it's like having that gangster ass friends who fucking steal for you. Who give up their last fucking slice of bread for you, man. You know, I said to myself, Yahushua is the only real friend I got. Plus the brothers, Markab and Amawan. They're my bros, man. And I got a flesh and blood bro, but he's you know, he's out there. So don't be out there. Look at this shit. 7.0, man. Damn, cars falling everywhere. It's chaos. It's chaos. Look at that. See, when you look at these kind of things, there's only one thing you can do, and that's pray, because you ain't in control. Look at that now. No tsunami threat to Hawaii following 7.0 magnitude earthquake. Woo! This planet is mad at you, man. The Lord's mad. We gotta pray so we can get the fuck out of here, man. So till the next time I say shalom.